Number 1. Home remodeling nearby in San Ramon. Construction remodeling in Bay Area. If you are thinking of hiring a home remodeling company, read on to find the right choice for you. Learn why construction remodeling in Bay Area is the number 1 choice. If you need to hire a home remodeling company, you want to make sure you're getting the best possible service. That's why it's important to do your research and hire a company that you can trust. After all, your home should be your sanctuary. You want the remodel process to be as stress-free as possible. Fortunately, there is one exceptional choice that stands head and shoulders above the rest when it comes to home remodeling nearby in San Ramon. Construction remodeling in Bay Area. Let's take a look at why this company is number 1. Construction remodeling has years of experience in the industry. Their team of experts has completed countless projects across San Ramon, from kitchen renovations and bathroom makeovers to complete home transformations. Not only are their team members highly trained, they also stay up to date with the latest trends and techniques so they can offer clients innovative solutions that will last for years to come. This level of expertise gives clients peace of mind knowing that their project is being handled by professionals who truly understand what they are doing. In addition to their expertise, construction remodeling uses only the highest quality materials available for each project. Whether it's flooring, cabinets or countertops, nothing but top-notch materials will do. They also ensure that all projects are done with precision and accuracy, paying close attention to every detail along the way. No shortcuts here. This commitment to excellence ensures that each client gets exactly what they envisioned for their space while also getting the highest value for their money. Above all else, construction remodeling puts customer satisfaction first. They understand how overwhelming home remodels can be and strive to make each step of the process as stress-free as possible by keeping clients informed every step of the way and responding quickly to any questions or concerns they may have. On top of that, they believe in building long-term relationships with each client, which allows them to provide better service over time because they already know what works best for each individual client. When it comes down to it, construction remodeling in Bay Area is simply unmatched when it comes to home remodeling nearby in San Ramon. From their expertise in high-quality materials to their commitment to customer service, there is no better choice when looking for a reliable partner for your next renovation project. With them on board, you can be sure that your dream project will become reality without any hassle or headaches. So don't wait any longer, contact them today. You won't regret it.